Hello, these are called Crystobead. Crystobead is what you see here. What you see is what you get, and it is made from my old lite. You just print the file out, and it becomes a portable candle. Or if you have a magic bar, you can make many of these. If you have a date, just in case a magician has a date, then he can turn the lite into a portable candle, and he could decide whether he is going to use the green light, or he could switch this and turn it into a disco light, if you know what a disco is. It sticks because of the glue, this one that the magicians often use, and if you like this, you can get it for free. Have a nice day.